My name is Francis Kumara. So this is kind of, I call it a kind of a miracle that I just came by to escort my nephew who has left his vehicle at this dealership. So I came, then I saw this car, a Mercedes-Benz S550. And I told myself, I said, maybe I could give this, because it was just a day before my birthday, why not give myself a birthday gift? So I asked for somebody to come, and they brought in Deon. And Deon was very courteous, and he was very nice to me. He says, believe me, you'll get it if you're interested. I said, sure enough, I'm interested in getting this to celebrate my birthday. And he brought me in, I signed up the paperwork, and yet still, believe me, I was not very optimistic. And I asked Deon, I said, am I really going to get this? Because this was ill-prepared kind of a deal. So he says, be optimistic. He kept telling me to be optimistic. And that was very reassuring. So to cut a long story short, by the time I left, I have already gotten the deal worked out. And I'm just very, very pleased. I came the next day because I already came with the car. So I had to come with somebody else to come. But what is beautiful about working with Deon was that because there was no time for me to really understand the features and the Benz, so I had to call him in his leisure day. And he was good enough to even text me and talk to me. And he says, come, if you don't know more of this, come back on Wednesday, I will help you. And they were so courteous. I came, and guess what? They did not only give me that, Deon arranged with the other fellow, they gave me an additional 3 months of XM radio. You can't ask for anything better. So it is just a wonderful experience. I wish I could testify to many more people about this experience. It is a very beautiful experience, and I treasure the vehicle, and I dedicated it to be used for my weekends and fellowship.